Hello there, I am Geçvakit1. This video will show you $eval function is AngularJs. What is eval function? The AngularJs $eval method is used to execute the AngularJs expressions on the current scope and returns the result. In AngularJs, expressions are similar to JavaScript code snippets that are usually placed in binding such as expressions. Okay, AngularJs used internally $eval to resolve AngularJs expressions such as variable. Now, before defining eval and define a scope and display its value in view. Okay, this is a controller and $scope dot param1. Param1 value is getWakit1. Then show param1 in index.html. Okay, param1 is expression is here. Control S and show an explorer. Open index.html. Okay. As you can see, when we loaded param1, we did not write here and $scope.param1. Now, let's collect two numbers in a function, but let's create two variables before. Okay, $scope.b and 1 and $scope a and .b 2, and I will define a function scope.sum. Function name is sum. Function is here. Var r is $scope dot a plus $scope dot b and alert sum equal plus r. Okay, let's create a button in view. Control S and button and ng click is sum function and sum is here. But Control S and refreshed. Sum 3 is here. Console is open. Okay. And A value is 1, B value is 2, and sum is 3. It's working. Okay, now open the app.js. When using variables a and b in the controller, we have to write $scope.a and $scope.b. If we delete the scope in front a and b, we get an error. Here, delete it and delete it. Control S and refresh it. A is not defined. Okay, it is error. And if we don't want to use these scopes here, we can use $eval. Let's show what I am describing with an example. Var r is here and equal $scope dot $eval is here and a plus b is here. Okay. This is the simplest use. Control S and refresh it. Sum equal 3 is here. It's working. If we will write $eval and a plus b, it is not working. Refresh it and it is the mistake. Okay. It must be written in double quotes. Okay. Object can also be used in eval. As an example, we create one object and use it in $eval function. $scope dot o, and we created an object. Name is getVakit1 and address is and city New York is here. Control S and we will use the eval function parameters and o dot address dot city. Control S and refresh it. Sum equal is New York. Okay, it's working. Well, only predefined values are used, of course. No. Okay. Okay. It's here. We do command line and var r is here and $scope dot $eval a star b star 3. Control S and refresh it. Sum is 6. It's working. If we use a string instead of a number, it's here. and A. Control S and refresh it. Some value is none. Is it not working? Okay. Yes. Here is 30. And let's use a value that was not previously defined. Okay. I defined the A and B. I wanna see in here. Control S and refresh. As you can see, is not working. Okay. Well, what would we do if we wanted to use something like this? We will use $eval in local variable definition field. Okay, I do a command line in here and var are equal $scope dot $eval is here and A star B star C. Okay, comma is here and C5. Control S and refresh it. As you can see, it's working. Okay, command line, command line. And another example. Can we override the identified areas of this definition? Var R $scope dot $eval and A star B star C and here is the definition area, local variable definition area and A2, comma B4. Control S and let's see, refresh it and none is here. Okay, I forget define C and okay, C is 1. Control S and refresh it. Sum is 8. Okay, scope variable A it's 1 and B 2. 1 star 2 star 1 is equal to and local A is 2, local B is 4 and local C is 1. 2 star 4 star 1 equal 8 and sum equal 8. Okay, it's working. I overwrite a global variable. Okay. $eval based on locally defined variables. Finally, I will show you how to use function in $eval. And command line, command line, command line. Okay. I will show you how to use function in $eval. Var r equal $scope dot $eval is here, and function here. I will define a function. Function is here, and first parameter scope. Scope is here, and second parameter local. Local is here. Okay. Now return scope dot a plus scope dot b. Refresh and save it and refresh it. Is 3. Scope A based is $scope A, and scope B based is $scope B. And we can also use local values. Deleted local A plus local B is here, and comma, I will define a local variable A2 B4. Control S and refresh it. Sum equal 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, it's done. Thanks for watching.